beauties, my name is Chanel, and today I'll be showing you guys up on this gorgeous wig that I got on today. This one is given very much so long yet wavy and very much so back to school ready. A lot of baby hairs going on, middle part for the girls, and she's serving very much so like, I want to say sew-in. You are one that's ready for this back to school type of vibe and you need something quick and easy, also give the girls what they need, then go ahead and keep on watching, because this one is definitely in the batch of recommending to assist to a friend and to anybody that wants to slay the new school year ahead. Hey beauties, so this one is by Jenna Collection and this is in their HD Natural D-side part lace wig. This is 100% virgin human Remy hair. This one is given a lot of waves for the girls. She is a loose, deep 34 inches, so yeah, she's given a lot of length, and I love how it's so long. I thought it literally looks like it's 40 inches. I do got like a short torso, so it does land a little bit on, I want to say lower, more like mid bum area. Definitely given long, and this is like more so like a T part type of wig, so you're only getting the part at the middle. So for my girls that's like, okay, well, I don't like middle part, this wig is actually long enough where you can go ahead and play it off and shift it to the side and make it a side part if you want, you know what I mean? But the only thing is though, you're not going to be getting lace like matching up for ear to ear. It possibly, if you shift it onto the left, it'll possibly be like over here, and you keep in mind that wherever you shift it at, you will have like a deficient of lace at whatever area that you shift it towards. But I did love the parting. I did pluck the parting just a little bit, and I added a concealer in the middle to go ahead and highlight that. Did some baby hairs and simply kind of brushed it back, and that was it. I did add some bio silk onto it to style. Super easy, nothing crazy. In general, it's literally minimum to no shedding. I did get a little bit shedding, nothing like crazy or like, oh, it's shedding like a dog. So it's really manageable. As far as like the waves, I love how the waves pattern is. I want to show you guys how it looked like naturally without adding any curls. But I did show you guys a clip of how it looks like when you add heat, if it can take heat well, in which it does, because this is human Remy hair. All right, you guys, so that was pretty much it. Jenna Collection, you did amazing on this one. This one is definitely going into my favorite batch. I love the length. Okay, the length is definitely a plus, and with the fall being right around the corner, I definitely could feel like this one is going to give the looks and the vibes that I need. So my girls that's going back to school, whether you're a teacher, whether you're a corporate girl, whether you're a student, or if you're both, a mixer of both, I definitely feel like this will fit perfect in your everyday routine. So if you're actually looking for something like a protective hairstyle for the upcoming winter or fall, girl, lean onto this one right here. I'll leave the links down below. I'll leave all the links of where you can get it for the lowest of the lowest down below in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so. And like always, you guys, till next time, later.